To winning is a tough question. To developing it, I can speak to that. Industrial Training International has been around for 31 years and provides training in the industrial equipment space all over the world, 75 countries. We have 10 training centers worldwide of our own, and virtual reality is an extension of that. So this product has only been around for less than a year, since March of 2017. And what's exciting about it is that the industry sees the potential outside of the hype and the glamour of gaming and entertainment, which is so important to the market adoption of these technologies. But industrial training doesn't get quite as much press, as they say. So developing a tool as a training company to provide a way for people to learn how to do dangerous and expensive things in a much more accessible and cost-efficient way is really the spirit and drive that we bring to the industry. I think many in the VR space today would tell you that it's difficult to convince people that it's real today. For those who've never tried it at all, they might be apprehensive, or there's just nothing like seeing it. And if you have seen it, it's wonderful to imagine a future where this stuff is going to be ordinary. But for all of those things to come together in a way that somebody not only understands it, but is willing to pay for that today, and in this case in the form of training and education, that takes a lot of effort. So it tends to be a slower sales cycle. There's a lot of education about the technology itself beyond the training material and its use in the market. So we have to educate the world. That has been the greatest hurdle overall. I got to give credit to Kent Bai on this one, the great podcast Voices of VR. He's asked now, I think, over 1,000 people, what's the ultimate potential of this technology? And an overwhelming majority will tell you training and education. It may take a while to get there just because of the cost factors, but the potential for this stuff to be used in anywhere that it is expensive, that is dangerous, or is just rare. You know, a medical condition, for example, you're just not going to come across it as often as you wish you could for training. So I think it will become ubiquitous. I think its role, its potential in this space is undeniable, but the market adoption is going to be one day at a time, and we just got to stay at it. VR awards, more delicious food, and great people to meet. Wonderful cities to visit. No, this is going to be hard to top for sure. Future years of this industry and technology, you know, faster, better, cheaper, more. It's just going to be amazing to see where it goes from here.